Suck on no matter.
No boy to the cup.
Oh soul. On a bad mind. I don't know alone who rise over here upon TikTok. I don't know alone for have name. I don't know alone for trend. I don't know alone for do everything. Go suck on no woman, go suck mode.
When you hear that, my viewers, I want to go on over TikTok. Man and man a argue and a man a tell a next man fi come suck him. One bag of loonies. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fi talk about. So no drop some like pan the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Bag of goal. Get a bag of 9 ball in him skin of Manchester. Plus, the killer them go bust out Fabian Eddie in him yard of Kingston. So before me jump in at the reason I make gonna know what I go on. Pre this.
No problem, enough.
So where you go for fun? Where you go for fun? Want to come shoot me?
When you see it, them viewers, that never call for, you know. But you see through a ghetto, anything goes in a ghetto. Where man can go for gun for all woman in a ghetto. And nobody in the ghetto now tell him say a foolish that him a go on with. So see it there. We hear mama son already kill Shavi already. So you go for gun for come murder she. Or for murder her son. My viewers, if him ever go up the road, you know, and squaddy them see that pan him belly and bust out him head, you know. At the same woman them wanna see him go for gun for go black road for him, you know. Ball for him, you know. And say squaddy them are wicked, you know. Cause I so ghetto run. All when the woman them knows enough of them boy you beat them, style them, and not rate them. Them have to go find old tire and old fridge when them dead. Remember that. So see it here my people. Ghetto living, ghetto lifestyle. Nothing not change at them place there. Where man box and kick and beat up woman anytime them want. And nothing no come out tight. But make squaddy did do this. And we da hear the big uproar in the ghetto there, Panda Lane there. But you see through the brother you look like him a gunman or long time bad man. Nobody na go give him no talk. So no walk with me and now. We got Cooleyville, Manchester. Where the killer them pull up a bag of gold foot and fling a bag of 9 ball in him skin. My people, good Manchester turn bad Manchester. This is no Manchester in a 1958, you know. Manchester Badness upgrade right now, you know. Where the place full up all type of crash dummy dance and general, you know. Where fight some unnecessary war, you know. The youth them not say no war now win, boy, yeah. Eh? Regular me tell you know that. Who fi dead I go dead. And who fi got jailhouse I go got jailhouse. War now win, boy, you get to youth. So the time and the energy wanna take a run up and down. I prefer to run go look at work or run go learn a trade and try better on yourself in a life. So bag of goal, get a bag of 9 ball in him skin of Cooleyville, Manchester. So no walk with me and all my people. But we see 31-year-old Fabian Solomon, a security guard. Killer them go fimp on Metcalf Street in him house. And go fling 9 ball in the dog head and him chest. Left him flat pan him face. Crime and violence. A mash up boy. And every other day, we see the body them just a pile up boy. See it ya, December just start. And almost 60 people get murdered in a December already. 25 people drop on them face in the first week. 29 in the second week. And see the third week, yeah. And the body them still a pile up, me I tell you no. So my viewers, we have to stay safe out there. Protect on the 3 points out there, cause it's a bloody Christmas. Me no know where the youth them a run down, you know. But see it yeah, every other day, man does a drop on them face so. So no walk with me. I go make on listen to the full video yeah. Where we see a beer badness over TikTok. Beer lowness. Where man and man argue and a man I tell a next man say if he come suck him. All kind of lowness them yeah. So no pre this.
Suck on no matter.
No boy to the cup.
Oh soul. On a bad mind. I don't know alone who rise over here upon TikTok. I don't know alone for have name. I will know alone for your trend. I will know alone for you do everything. Go suck on no mama and go suck mode. Me not have blood clot involved in a nothing when I where happen for now over here. And me I go show you say me can sit down here so and hold my own same way and just feel the dog pain and know say dog drop out and I be people that look cloud chasing and find go suck on no mother. Suck out to no mother. When you think me I look no cloud chasing and find dog.
When you hear that, my viewers, every day upon TikTok, one bag of badness, one bag of lowness, man argue, and you go tell a next man fi come. I want enough of them youth here. Eh? You know see why when enough of them drop, me no feel sorry for enough of them. Enough of you no have no sympathy love for enough of them. Cause them spread them bed, you know. And when them lay down in it, you know, nobody no feel sorry for them, you know. Cause look here, now you drop on the media because of this one bag of badness. And instead of the youth them live and learn, the man them a continue with the one bag of badness. I threaten people life. I talk about who and who for dead. I get up every day I tell people about their mother. One bag of bad energy. So what you think about me to enough for you know? Think of prosperity or positivity? Youth, you better wake up fast and learn before the killer come for you know, and come bust out no for your head. Cause we see so you nah learn. Every day upon the media with one bag of badness, nah go bring not no good. So hear him them people, one cup of sauce, I him did day in a video with clip, I talk about belly full, till squaddy them go see can find him, till see him there again, I in a bag of tracing with man pan the app. Some of viewers, stay safe out there, protect phone life out there, until next time, when you don't know the code of road, a life over death.